Hello, good morning. I'm Roger Peet. I'm our Innovation Center Manager. Today I'm going to talk to you about our approach to prototyping, our capabilities, and how we can bring your product to life faster. All right, we understand that our customers are in different stages of their product design cycle. Some customers are at the very incipient stage of their product design, where others come to us with proven concepts and mature product lines needing a new vendor. We tailor our approach to meet our customers' needs as close as possible. Sometimes our customers need to fail fast to test multiple iterations of a design. In that case, we can build a rapid prototype to cater to our customers' demand for speed. Depending on the complexity of the geometry, we can produce prototypes in as little as 5 business days. We also build production intent prototypes, which are focused on mirroring our production process as closely as possible. Although our rapid prototypes sometimes substitute some elements of production intent for speed, we learn something every time we put a tool in the press, which ultimately translates into speed to market once the prototype phase is complete and we're ready to kick off a production tool. Our rapid prototype process is driven by our customers' demand for speed and allows us to deliver one-off molded prototypes or a couple hundred parts for testing very quickly. We can provide rapid prototypes in molded silicone, traditional elastomers, and thermoplastics to include thermoplastic elastomers and high-performance engineering plastics. We work closely with our customers to deliver high-quality products as quickly as possible. Our rapid prototype process stands apart from our competitors because we're not only able to provide you prototypes quickly, but we will partner with you for your full product life cycle. Our other approach to prototyping is production intent prototyping. Production intent prototyping means that we're trying to mirror what we would do in production as closely as possible. We incorporate the same parting line concept in a similar grade of steel on the prototype tool that we'd use on our production tool. Our presses are scaled down versions of the presses that we would use in production. Then we dial in the process as closely as possible to our intended production process. This allows us to document risk and lessons learned along the way that we apply to building a production tool and developing a production process, which results in an improved speed to market for our customers. We're still able to deliver prototypes quickly with a usually production intent process usually gives us 4 to 6 weeks for a prototype delivery based on part complexity, but we tailor this approach to learning as much as possible to smooth the transition to production. Our Innovation Center team helps our customers with custom molded products by leading them through the material selection and DFM process. This process can be challenging if we're not involved at the beginning. As Chris mentioned earlier, the challenge is that up to 90% of a component's manufacturing cost can be designed into the product. Our Innovation Center team can leverage decades of manufacturing experience to lower cost by being involved in the design process from the beginning. Simple changes can allow us to reduce scrap rates and improve cycle times, which ultimately have huge impacts on part cost and speed to market. By working with our customers from the beginning, we can help them find a solution that will work for their entire life cycle. The Innovation Center has the capability to help our customers develop overmolded solutions too. We are experts in bonding silicone, traditional elastomers, and plastic to a variety of substrates. We have overcome challenges bonding an extensive number of combination of materials and substrates. Depending on the geometry and material, we may have the capability to mold or machine substrates in-house. Otherwise, we work with our customers to bond to substrate sourced externally through our trusted network of vendors, or even bond to customer-supplied substrates. We also have the capability to evaluate the feasibility of two-shot molding in-house. During the prototype phase, the Innovation Center would produce 2 individual molds for the substrate and overmold. We take the lessons learned from that process and work with our new product development team then to develop a plan to execute production as a true 2-shot process in production. Mike went into depth earlier on the material science earlier in this presentation, but I want to recap it here as material selection can aid in the innovation and overcoming material challenges. Although we prefer to start the design process with material selection, this can often be a moving target during the development phase if additional considerations arise. Trelleborg's team has access to both internal and external material experts that can help anticipate and react to our customers' needs for their application and material challenges during the manufacturing process, which has a direct impact on cost and speed to market. We mold a full spectrum of materials in the Innovation Center to meet these demanding specifications and challenges. We specialize in molding an array of LSR and HCR silicone grades and can blend custom additives into silicone to match customer color, conductivity, or even radio contrast specifications. We will work closely with our advanced materials group to help our customers select the best material for their application, or, when required, formulate custom traditional elastomer compounds to meet specific needs. We have formulated a wide variety of custom materials, from a high elongation polyisoprene for a trocar seal to an abrasion-resistant HNBR for a centrifugal seal. We also specialize in molding high-performance and engineering-grade thermoplastics to meet the most demanding needs. Our Innovation Center team has access to experts globally with a diverse area of expertise. We take advantage of our access to these experts to help our customers develop integrated solutions that simplify their supply chain and ease the burden on their operations. Some examples of our integrated solution capabilities are shown here, and I'll highlight a few. Overmolding and two-shot molding can help our customers shorten their bill of materials and reduce SKUs on hand. We help our customers with a multitude of surface treatments, as Mike mentioned earlier, and coatings to help reduce coefficient of friction in moving parts or ease the assembly of parts. Our team can help our customers with machining or sourcing high-precision machined metal parts. Trelleborg is also an expert in tight tolerance extruded silicone tubing. Whatever the problem, we are interested in helping our customers find solutions to simplify their manufacturing process, reduce cost, improve lead times, and eliminate headaches. Our Innovation Center team is passionate about innovation, manufacturing, and molding. We stay at the forefront of technology by listening to our customers' demands and working across industry to find or develop the solutions needed to quickly deliver cutting-edge prototypes. Our Innovation Center team has years of engineering experience that we apply to help improve our manufacturing process by reducing lead times, cost, and scrap rates. We want to be involved with our customers from the beginning of their product development process so we can help design products with manufacturing in mind. We combine our tooling, material expertise, and process development so our customers can count on receiving a high-quality part every time. Bring us your manufacturing challenges. We're excited to help you solve your problems and transform your ideas into reality.